Everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangle and the xy equals to 4 meter in the diagram itself. xb and ay is also given. Our first objective now is to find xa. So in order to find xa, I'm going to focus on this red color right angle triangle and applying my Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then I would have xa square is equal to 4 square plus 6 square, the sum of the other two sides that make the right angle. So this will be equals to 52, and therefore my xa is simply the square root of 52. This will be equals to 7.2111 to about 5 significant figure, 7.21 meter to 3 SF. Next, looking at the AB, which will be this whole length, then it is important for us to take note that we just need to find BY or YB. Again, then I will have to focus on my green color triangle. So that would be my first step. Yeah, my first step then would be to have my BY square plus 4 square, these two sides make the right angle, will be equals to 5 square, the hypotenuse. Then you will see that I am going to minus 4 square on both sides, so that you will see this. This will give me 9. So I will be able to get my BY easily. Square root 9, which is equals to 3 meter. And so I will then be able to get my AB. AB is 6 plus 3. Yeah? So therefore AB is equals to 6, which is already there, plus my BY, 9 meter. With that, we have come to the end of this particular video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.